Hi, I'm Jim Pinkham, MarineMax Lake Norman, 704-997-2168. Today we're going to look at a 2020 AR240 by Yamaha. The back of this AR240 has got a real large swim area, great for lounging. It's got a stereo remote control on the back, has a mount for the table, cup holders, center walk-through, has a cushion that you can take out or leave in, keep from having to step onto the seats. Clean out port on the starboard and port side. Dual captain chairs with armrests. Has a place for your cell phone. Flat screen digital monitor for all your gauges, stereo. Dual throttles. This boat has got a removable carpet. And here we have ample storage as well as the table. Bow area, plenty of seating, lots of leg room. Got an anchor locker in the front as well as additional speakers. Full windshield. This is the 2020 AR240 by Yamaha. If you'd like to come by MarineMax Lake Norman, 704-997-2168. I'm Jim Pinkham, and I'd love to show you this boat.